Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all doing so great. So in this video I'm going to talk about how did I start my English journey and how I achieved this kind of fluency in just 8 months. Yeah, you heard me absolutely right. I have achieved this kind of fluency, this level of English in just 8 months. So in this video I'm going to talk about all of the story what I did. Okay, so watch this video till the end and I hope you will be enjoy and you will learn a lot of things. Before 8 months, when did I start my English journey as an English learner? At that time I didn't know how to form the sentences and I didn't have any type of vocabs. I lack from everywhere. I didn't know anything. But I had only one thing, that is called courage, curious and persistent to do something. And I saw any fluent speaker while speaking English, that time I feel very energetic. So I thought that we should also start of learning this language and we should learn also. So before 8 months I started my journey, and in this short period of time I faced a lot of difficulties, a lot of obstacles we have to encounter them in this short period. But most of the time I was feeling that we should give up. This language is very tricky and I cannot learn it, I cannot speak, I never speak this language in my life. This kind of demotivated thoughts were coming in my mind at that time, in initially days when I was start. So but I didn't give up. I faced, I encountered every kind of problems. I did a lot of things and a lot of practices also I implement in my daily habits. Now I can speak little better. Still I'm a struggling on my communication skill. Still I'm a practicing on daily basis without wasting a single day. And now at that time I'm also trying to polish my fluency. But if I compare those days, so I have improved a lot, and I will highly recommend you if you want to speak English. If someone who is very curious and didn't know how to start, didn't know any proper roadmap, so just you can start your English journey from speaking only. In this journey, step by step, day by day, week by weeks by weeks, you you will understand everything by automatic. You couldn't go anywhere for learning anything. In this journey you will learn everything by own. So just dive. This is the right time when you will start. So I faced a lot of things, a lot of obstacles in my journey, but I didn't give up. And if I talk about what kind of practices I did for my fluency, for increasing my English. So I'm a person who loves to write. I don't know what I'm writing. I don't know what is right and what is wrong. But what is moving in my mind, just I try to write on the page. And I really prefer to write. So writing, it helps me. Writing, it helped me a lot. Yeah, when you will write anything, so your mind become more clear on that particular topic. So I used to write a lot when I was start. At that time I'm also love to writing, but in very few amount. Those days I used to write a lot. 1 hour, one half an hour I used to write at that time. And the second practice what I did for my fluency, that is called speaking practice. Yes, one thing I understood at that time, that if I want to speak this language, so speaking is very mandatory. When I will speak a lot, so it's normal I will improve a lot, and in really I will learn of speak through speaking. So I used to speak more than 30 minutes. I used to speak, and at this type of practices I did for my fluency. Yeah, so it was my short story about English journey. I hope you will relate with your story, your English journey, and I think you all also faced this kind of difficulties, up and downs in your life most of the time, and most of the people also can relate them. So yeah, so it's this was my short story. I hope you will understand. And what is your perception, and what and who is beginner and want to speak English as well, so you can start your English, because this is the right time. And once in your life you have to learn, so why not you should start your English from today. Why not you should start your English journey from today. So if you are beginner, so let me know in the comment box. I will bring a lot of content for beginners, how to learn, like a roadmap content, with English related video I will provide you. So you can do subscribe for more videos. So we will meet in the next video with a new content.